Hello guys, so in this video we'll be taking a look at the very useful gardening tools, and here I have a set of tools in front of me. So I'll explain you the basic use of these tools and why they are essential when you're doing gardening and stuff. So let's begin with the first one. So this right here is a trowel. This one is larger in size and the other one is small. So we use this basically to dig up soil and then move it from one place to the other. So basically when you're moving soil from one pot to the other, this thing comes in handy. And the other one also has the same use case, but this one is smaller in size. So maybe when you have to dig deeper and work with smaller pots, this will come in handy. The third thing that we have here is a gardening fork. So this thing is used to dig up soil. It doesn't have a lot of use, major purpose, but it's basically used to aerate the soil and make some holes in the soil. Let's keep that away as well. So this fancy little item is a weeding tool. So if you have a large garden and there's a lot of weed growing in, you can basically use this to pull out the weed, and you do this by simply inserting this all the way to the root of the weed, and then you can pull it out because it has this notch like thing over here. All right, so this one is a, what do we call it? It's a cultivator. And we use this before like seeding and stuff to make like partitions in the soil, and also to make the soil or the base surface like more granular. So and lastly, what we have here is a pair of gloves, and it's used to work with muddy conditions, and it also helps protect your hands from certain stuff that may be there in the soil. So that's that. Okay, so we've covered some basic gardening tools over here, and no matter how big or small your garden is, I would recommend that you purchase these items instead of working with random things from your household. And these are pretty useful. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.